What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G. Also, Wavy Man back again with another video, back again with another banger. And you know what I'm saying? Today I got a little Shein haul for y'all. I got the beanies today, man. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't wearing no beanie no time soon, cause it's hot as fuck right now, and I'm sitting out here recording this goddamn intro for y'all. I'm really finna go to the car because it's hot as shit, you know what I'm saying? I can be in some AC. It's like 100-something degrees, bro. So yeah, I'm out here recording this, so y'all should, like, you know, go ahead and show some support to your boy. But yeah, so I'm finna go ahead and unbox the beanies, man. I ordered a whole bunch, so we finna get straight into it, man. Let's go. Before we get into the video, I forgot to tell y'all this is my first video with my new camera. I got the Sony ZV-1F, man, and you know, y'all see the quality upgrade. Y'all see the hair is red, it's popping. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just have to let y'all know your boy done got a camera, so let's go and give me a round of applause, please. So, but without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
I roll me a wood and get higher than the bitch. You niggas not fucking with me on my kids. Everything that I say in my rap is no cap. So a nigga can't even get a job at the Lids.
I don't know if y'all can hear my air blowing, but it is hot as hell outside, so y'all might hear the air blowing because I need to be cool. And we got the blue and yellow beanie right here with some little red stars on it. I fuck with it. Let me see it. See if I look how I look. Okay, I fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? It's like a little cool beanie. I fuck with it. Oh God, I can. Hey, let me know. I might start wearing beanies. You know what I'm saying? I might start wearing beanies. Just cause, yeah, fucking up the hair though. But so that's one out the way. Okay, we got next one. We got a little pink and red one right here. Bust it open. Little pink and red beanie right here. It says, all we need is money. Okay, all we need is money. Little pink beanie, pink and red beanie. I bet they all fit the same though, right? Oh yeah, no, this one kind of tight. This one kind of tight. Let me know how I should be wearing beanies though. Like, I don't know how to wear beanies. Somebody let me know. My nigga Caleb be wearing them hoes, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't that type of guy. Little crumb heart. Little crumb heart, bitch. Damn. Bust this bitch open. Sorry, I ain't even gonna try this on. It's cool. Oh, they matched the fit though. Let's try this on. They matched the fit though. Yeah, okay, we gonna keep this on for the rest of the video. Yeah, we gonna keep this on the rest of the video type shit. I fuck with it. Oh God. Little chrome heart bit. Yeah, match the fit though. Little green and yellow one. With this. Damn. I ain't trying on no more beanies. I'm keeping the black one on. I fuck with the black one for real. So, alright. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Now this shit ass. I ain't gonna lie, I thought this hoe was harder cause like the picture on Shein, but I mean, I guess. Next we got a white one. White and black. Here, I don't know what this stands for, but you know, like the little Y2K shit they be having. This hoe looks small. I might give it to my sister now. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to my sister. This one kinda small. Okay, I like this one. A little yellow and black. It say top tier on it. I fuck with it. Might fuck around, pop out and wear a beanie tonight. You know what I'm saying? To wear to my little party. Hey, party vlog coming soon. Y'all be on the lookout for that. You know what I'm saying? I'm dropping this, you know, just for some extra content. Bro, God, leave, bro. This one top tier. Y'all fuck with this hoe. Yeah, I like that. I like that for sure. Okay, this is my little mocha looking beanie. Bust this open. Hey, I've been liking the fish I've been putting together with these threes now. Y'all know exactly what threes I'm talking about too. And they the little brown ones with the dark brown, the light brown, and the gray, and all that extra shit. I don't know what this is. If y'all can figure out what this is, I don't know. It's cool though. 'Cause I like it. I like this shit. It's hard. Boom. It's like a little star man on the hat. I fuck with this hoe just because. You know what I'm saying? I just like it. It's too hot in here, bro. It's that Texas heat, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. Okay, I think we got two more left. Open this one up. This is a black and gray one. I don't know what it says either, but I fuck with this. I be seeing girls wearing jeans like that. That's cool, whatever. There's another brown one. Brown low-key been like sticking to me a little bit. Like the light brown, the dark brown, all they been sticking to me. Like, I just feel like that's like a fashion ass nigga fit. Fashion ass nigga color. That brown. That like that little nude natural color and shit like that. I fuck with that. Okay, this is the same one as the yellow one. It says top tier with that little broken heart. And yeah, man, I actually like it. I got my chrome heart beanie on right now. We gonna put all this stuff in the trash real quick. Okay, boom. So, little recap of the beanies right now. We got brown mocha one, that black one, that star, man. This is gonna be my thumbnail. All right, babe, we got the thumbnail, and we got the little brown mocha one again. Got the yellow top tier. Got that Y2K SC one right here, that little beanie. This weak ass beanie I thought was gonna be hard. It's just off balance, like it's off centered and everything. Like, come on, bro. It's not even in the middle of the seam. I thought somebody was looking at me. The pink and red one, this is tough. All we need is money. That's a factual statement. And we got this one, a little spider web on the back. I forgot to show y'all that. It says Gravity Visions, I guess. But yeah, man, those are all the beanies right there we got, man. It was a nice little haul or whatever. Nice little first video for the new camera. Damn, let's see if I can pick all these up. Oh, I can't even get a grip on them type shit. So, you got hella beanies, man. Got beanies everywhere. She lucky she make this my thumbnail, but you know. Got beanies everywhere, man. And so, if you're new to the channel, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I got more content for y'all on the way. I got more vlogs. I got more videos. I got more challenges. I got pranks on the way. I got shoe reviews. I got everything on the way that you can possibly fucking think of, man. I'm a content creator, bro. I do this shit. And I ain't gonna let shit stop me. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? And that's word of my chrome heart beanie on bro. So this is my first video with the new camera, man. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Support your boy. And we out, man. Also, wave the game. Peace.
Little bitch, you cannot hit my line. 21 hoe like a Dion, I stay in my prime. I cheated on her, then that bitch started crying. That boy caught a body, now that boy doing time. We can get paid if you